Yes, it's just another ordinary day at the bus stop. You're chatting on the cell phone when all of a sudden your nose starts to itch. Achoo! Oh my goodness, you're doing the loogie dance! All of a sudden you're covered in snot! It's everywhere! He fainted! Oh my goodness, the guy behind you fainted! What are you gonna do? You need Loogie Helper. That's right, Loogie Helper from Nasal Cavities Are Us. Loogie Helper, here's the way it works. It's a special roller. It picks up snot the same way that, like, insects get stuck to the bug shield on cars. That's right, it's pretty much the same thing. Just gross stuff sticking to stuff. Yes, Loogie Helper by Nasal Cavities Are Us. Get it now before the holidays, and don't let your snot hang out like snot hanging out all over your shirt. Get it now.